Hey friends, let's jump straight in, and with this lesson we'll do all the guitar parts. Let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. We're just starting on this E sus4 chord, play 4 on the G, 5 on the B, 5 on the E, and do a down, up, mute. Then just go back to 4G, 5B, 4 on the E, down, up, down. We do that 2 times. Then play 4 on the D. Then you're going to do an upstroke, start on the 4 but play it on the G and the D. 2 mute, do 4, hammer onto 6 on the D. Now you're going to play 4 on the B, 4 on the G, 6 on the D, but hammer onto 5 on the B. Do it as an up, then play that chord again as an up, and then do a down on the same chord, but then pull off the 6 back to 4 on the D, and the 5 pull off the 4 on the B. And we do that part 2 times, so slowly. And just keep repeating that section through 2 times, and that's our intro, and that's also our chorus. Now let's have a look at the solo for the intro. We're going to start on the B string, 10, slide up to 12, then E 14, B 14, then play the 2 of them together and slide back to 12. And then have 11 on the G, slide up to 13, B 14, 12, then back to G, 11, slide up to 13, and 13 again. Then we do 9 on the G, slide up to 11, 12 on the B, back to 11 on the G, then play the 2 together and slide up 2 frets, do it another 2 times, play it again and slide back to 11 and 12, so slowly. Repeat the first one again. Now the second one start's going to stay the same, 11, slide to 13 on the G, B, 14, 12, back to G, 11, slide to 13, and go 13, slide back to 11. Then on the E, do 9, hammer onto 12, pull off to 9, B, 12, 9, then do that again, 9, hammer onto 12, pull off to 9 on the B, 11, G, jump back to 7 on the B, hammer onto 9, pull off to 7, 9 on the G, then do 9, G, 10 on the B, slide up to 11 and 12, so slide up 2 frets, play it 2 times, play it again and slide up 2 more frets to 13 and 14, play it 2 more times, then 1 more and back to 11 and 12. And that's our solo intro there. So we're starting on the F sharp minor, do a down, up, mute, mute. And then play 2nd fret on the B, 2nd G, and then we're doing the same but on a B sus2. 2nd fret on the B, 4 on the G. Come up to a G sharp minor, do the same again. 4B, 4G, back to an A, the same. This time play 2B, 2G, 2D. Back to our F sharp minor the same. To our B sus4 the same. Then we're going to the E chord, the same one we did in the intro. We have 4G, 5B, 4 on the E, and we're doing a down, up. Go to the E sus4, so just adding our little finger onto the 5th fret. Down, up, down. Do the same strumming pattern, but do the whole thing on the E. Down, up, down, up, down. Then we're going back to the F sharp minor, the same. Back to the B sus2 the same. To the A. This time play 2nd fret G, 2nd fret D. Then we're just jumping to a B power chord and 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's our verse C. So for our chorus, it's exactly the same as our intro again. 2 times, and our little fill. Do that through 2 times, and then we're jumping to a C sharp minor, play the E, B, G, E. To our B sus2, do the same. Back to the C sharp minor, the same again. Then we're jumping to a C chord, play the 3rd fret on the A, play open G, 1st fret B, open E. Then go to the 2nd fret on the A, open G, 1st fret B, open E, and just play the open A. Then we're going back to the F sharp minor, do our down, up, mute, down, down, to a B, and just do a down, up, mute, down. And that's our chorus C. And for guitar 2, at the end of the chorus, we have 9 on the G, 10 on the B, and slide up to 13 and 14. And they're all the parts of the chorus. From there, we just go back to the verse, and that's exactly the same. So for our next chorus, it stays exactly the same. We play our main chorus riff twice. We do the same again with our C sharp minor. To our B sus2. Back to our C sharp minor. To our C and our little run down. Open A. And then to finish off, we go back to the F sharp, but we're going to be arpeggio picking. So E string, G, B, E, B, G, E, B. So go to our B sus2, this time 2nd fret A, and then again G, B, E, B, G, E, B. Back to the F sharp and the same, and then just finish on the B. Now while the drum fill goes through, he just repeats the chorus again. And back to our little fill. And that just keeps repeating all the way through to the end, and we have our last little solo over the top of that. So let me talk you through this outro solo. It's nearly the same as our intro solo. So the start stays the same. Just play the 12 and 12 on the E and the B again. Then there's a pause, and then we're doing the 9 on the G, slide up to 11. 12B, 11G, and then 11 and 12 slide up to 13 and 14. Back to 11 and 12, same as the intro again. Now this one changes a little bit. We're going to do 10, slide up to 12 on the B. Then just play 14 on the B and the E, slide back to 12. And then we do the first one again. And then we end the same with our little fill. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Shandi Guitar Lesson by Kiss. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs. And I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.